We're going to Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach. We were checking out of Disney's Old Key West, so we had to take the Animal Kingdom bus to Animal Kingdom, and then we transferred to the Blizzard Beach bus. We didn't know that we had to transfer Animal Kingdom, so if you are planning to go to Blizzard Beach, just keep that in mind. You're probably going to have to transfer at Animal Kingdom. We weren't sure if we were going to be able to go to Blizzard Beach because the weather was very cold during our trip to Walt Disney World, and this was one of the warmest days and happened to be one of our check-in days. Since we did a multiple split stay at 4 different resorts, we had 4 different check-in days. And new for 2025, on your check-in day, a water park is included and it is completely free. You just have to be staying at a Walt Disney resort and you have to go on your check-in day. So if you're doing a split stay, I think this would work out perfectly. Or if you have a really early flight, you can take advantage of the water park free park day. And right now, Blizzard Beach is the one that opened, and probably later on in the latter part of the year, Typhoon Lagoon will be open. And this is such a great way for families to save money. And if you haven't been to the water parks before, I think this is a great chance to check them out, see what they're about, see if you like them without having to spend any extra money, because you know Disney is expensive. So if we can save a little bit of money where we can, we definitely need to take advantage. And luckily, the Blizzard Beach wasn't that crowded when we got there. We got there early afternoon. It did take us a little bit to get there from Old Key West, having to go to Animal Kingdom and then transfer buses, but that wasn't a big deal. We really didn't mind it. And so we arrived at Blizzard Beach, and then we got settled in. We grabbed some towels. Disney's Blizzard Beach, and it is free for us today because part of 2025 entry to water park is free on your check-in day if you are staying at Walt Disney World Resort. So that is one great perk if you are staying on property at Disney World in 2025 on your check-in day only. You can come to water. We have a few different check-in stays this day because we're staying at 4 different resorts. So this is technically our second check-in day of our stay because we checked in yesterday for one night. And so this is our second check-in day, but it still counts towards the free entry to a water park. So we were able to come here, have a nice breakfast at Old Key West, and then we took the bus to Animal Kingdom and then transferred to the bus to Blizzard Beach. And it worked out perfect. The weather is a little chilly, but the sun is shining. Our goal for today was just to go to Pikes Peak, which is the frozen splash pit area, and my 4-year-old Franklin is having an absolute blast. He is going to spend all day. Here at Blizzard Beach. It's a little after 2 o'clock. The sun is shining, but it is feeling a little chilly outside. But we are just gonna have ice cream. My parents and Franklin are gonna get the ice cream pail sundae. My mom and dad are ordering it right now. They love ice cream, so they're gonna do that, and they're probably gonna head to the Riviera. We got a notification at 11 this morning.
I like ice cream.
Oh, Franklin likes ice cream too. We got a notification at 11 this morning that our room at the Riviera was actually already ready, so that's always great. So it is waiting for us, so we're excited for that. So we're just going to finish up here at Blizzard Beach, and then we're gonna head to Disney's Riviera. But we've had so much fun here on this Disney day. If you are planning a trip to Disney World in 2025, I think that this is a great thing to do, especially if you are trying to save money when it comes to the water park, especially in those warmer months. And right now it's just Blizzard Beach open, and then I'm assuming in the summer Typhoon Lagoon will be open, but it is a great way to save money. I just think it might be difficult if you're flying in and have a later flight. It might be difficult to do the water park. So maybe if you are still booking your flight, making your accommodations, that might be a great option to consider an earlier flight, so that way you could drop your bags off at the resort and then head straight to the water park. I think that is a great option. This day is a little different. If you love doing a split stay, I think that is also a great option for 2025 if you're looking to add on a free water park day, because then you're already here on property, you're already in Walt Disney World, and you can use the second part of your stay to do the free water park. I think that is a great option and a great way to save money. Would you come back to Blizzard Beach?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you like Pikes Peak?
Mm-hmm.
You had so much fun.
Next time I'm going to go there again.
You're gonna come here again? Wow.
Yeah, next time I'm going to come here and I actually don't go down that super wide.
You're gonna go down the super slide next time? Yeah, Franklin absolutely loved Blizzard Beach and Pikes Peak. So I definitely think that this is going to be a annual stop for us on our Disney World trip. He is a little beach baby. He loves the pool. He loves the water. And so we will definitely have to come back here. And I think it's worth it if you have littles just to do Pikes Peak, the frozen area at Blizzard Beach. Especially if they love Frozen, it is definitely worth it. Franklin, what was your favorite part at Blizzard Beach?
Super duper water slide.
At Pikes Peak?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, would you go on it again?
Uh-huh.
Could you spend all day here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was so much fun, wasn't it? Wasn't it too cold?
No.
No.
But it was kind of, and my hands are shriveled.
Yeah, you were in there a long time.
Yeah, it was And Grandma was there with me. Mom, that's ours. Wait.
Wow, look at that. Are you going to eat all that?
I'm gonna
Wow.
with you. I'm gonna take a bite.
How is it?
Yeah, if you got, I was telling Dad, if you got like 2 things.
I think there's cake pieces in there.
Yellow cake.
Way down in this one. There it is.
Wow, look at that.
His little freezer burnt.
You got hot.
Grandpa said it's their dinner.
Dinner.
So Franklin said
Oh,
you
so
and
me and-
Grandpa can share.
We get this for dinner, and that's his dinner.
And I'm out of luck. We are leaving Blizzard Beach and we have to transfer at Animal Kingdom, so we are taking the bus to Animal Kingdom and then we'll transfer and get on the bus to Disney's Riviera.